Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? I am Michelle Morar, and today I wanted to talk to you about how $1,000 can change your life. Absolutely change your life with only $1,000. Now you can get that $1,000 a number of ways. You can do like I am, the slow way, and trying to flip stuff from 0 to 1,000. You can get it that way. You could get it by putting $100 aside each and every month for a full year, and you would have $1,200. You can do it like my friend did, where she sold some stuff over the weekend and she was able to sell two things and get $800, and that was one weekend. So no matter what way that you're going to do it, that is what your goal should be, is to find $1,000. So after you get your $1,000, what are you going to do with it? What should you do with it? I have been inspired by Warren Buffett and my knowledge of dividend aristocrat stocks. And let me tell you, Warren Buffett, even as a youngster, he was precocious, and he always knew and was going around and trying to make money. And he told his friend at 10 years old, he said he had a sum of money because he had saved his money, he had worked and he had saved money, and he also had the benefit of knowing this. He was around his father a lot. His father started a stockbroker company. He was a stockbroker and had a company started in the Depression. In the middle of the worst time ever, he started a stockbroker. His dad did. But he was around stocks and he knew about stocks. Warren did. Even as a youngster, he hung out with his dad. He had this sum of money. He put some money into the stock market and he made some money, and he realized at that time, he thought, wow, I can make a lot of money. And he told his friend, I will be a millionaire by the time I am 35 years old, because he said it would take 25 years. He had already saved the money and he had already got enough, just a little bit, and he called it his snowball amount. So that is amazing that he would put that together. Most people who are adults don't even realize how to do that. And that's why I wanted to teach you and to share with you my idea. This is for me. If you want to look at it and investigate your own stocks, that's for you to do. But this is my idea. I love dividend aristocrat stocks. What that means is there are 57 companies that are in the dividend aristocrat arena. They have been increasing their dividend for at least 25 straight years, even in the Great Depression in 2008. So they were still paying an increasing dividend. So let's take a look. I also got the lowest price and the highest dividend, and the stock that would correlate with each month would have an increase in that particular month. So January, AT&T, or the symbol T, they increase their dividend in January. So I picked January as AT&T, February as ADM, and March as KO, and on and on and on. So this is what I found out. This morning, AT&T was trading at $39 and their dividend is 52 cents. Now that is an up-to-date dividend. The rest of these companies are last year's dividends. Okay? February is ADM, which is Archer Daniels Midland Company. They are a farm products company, and their price is $45.10 and the dividend is 35 cents. March, in honor of Mr. Buffett, who loves Coca-Cola, and I love Coca-Cola, The symbol is KO. I picked Coca-Cola. It was trading at $57.50 and the dividend is 40 cents. April was PBCT, that is People's United Financial Incorporated. They are a regional bank. It was trading at 1603 and the dividend is 0.178. May was ExxonMobil, XOM, and it was trading at 67.25 and the dividend is 87 cents. June is CAH, that is Cardinal Health, CAH. And it was trading at $55.34 and the dividend is 0.481. July is Caterpillar, the symbol CAT, and it was trading at $144.17 and the dividend is $1.03. August was Walgreens, WBA, trading at $53.91 and the dividend is 0.458, almost 46 cents. September is FRT, that is Federal Realty Investment Trust. They are a REIT, a retail REIT. That means they are property management and they go and buy properties and they make money on properties and then they give you a dividend. October is AOS, that is A.O. Smith Incorporated. They are a specialty machinery company and they were trading at $47 and a penny. And the dividend is 24 cents. November, I picked McDonald's. This is more expensive, but it is a potential growth stock. So I wanted the stock to be able to grow. That was my personal preference. MCD, McDonald's, $212.44 is the price of one stock, and it pays out $1.25 dividend. December is BEN, that is Franklin Resources Incorporated. They are a asset management company, and they pay out a 27 cents dividend. You add all of that up and it comes out to $894.56. So you could make it up to the 1,000. You could add a couple of stocks. I'd probably add some on the January and the March deal on those two, because let me show you. These are paid out 4 times a year, okay? But each and every month you will have an increasing dividend coming to you. And if you put that in a Roth IRA, that $1,000, then it's not going to be taxed, and whenever you start to pull money out of it when you retire, then you will be getting an increase each and every month. So January is AT&T, and it's January, April, July, and October, and that is AT&T, People's United Financial Incorporated, Caterpillar, and A.O. Smith Company. February is February, May, August, and October, November, February, May, August, and November. That's ADM, which is Archer Daniels Midland, ExxonMobil, Walgreens, and McDonald's, and they would pay out $11.71 total for the year. But when you reinvest those over the year, it acts like a snowball, and you can put more than $1,000, but at least just starting out with $1,000. March, June, September, and December is Coca-Cola, Cardinal Health, FRT, which is Federal Realty Investments, and BEN, which is Franklin Resources Incorporated. So there you have it. There you have a plan with $1,000 that over time will be increasing each and every month because of the dividend. You can reinvest those dividends, and like I said, you are creating a snowball compounding effect on your money. I hope light bulbs go off for you. I hope you see the power of this. You don't have to stick with just $1,000. This is just an example. To have $1,000 is attainable for anybody at any income if you put your mind to it. And it can change your life, especially if you do have 20, 25 years before you retire. It doesn't matter though. I mean, there's people in retirement, if you're 65 years old and you have $1,000 and you want to do this plan, you could do it and you would have an increasing income over time. Like I said, I hope light bulbs go off for you. If it does, give me a big thumbs up. Comment below. Tell me I'm crazy. Say this won't work. Or prove me wrong. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.